This is some dope boy shit.
This is so old school queer. Look at that. Got the Jamaican boxing glove. Oh shit, this is so cool.
Oh, good luck.
It's right here. It is so wild.
You can't sit with us without clearance. That lame shit, never let it near us. And your girl will choose my team cause you still living with your parents. Flexing on the gram with your paycheck. Stop showing off them bills you ain't paid yet. Couture 101, this ain't made yet. My gang never plain like we came off the same jet. I'ma need a section cause we tryna make them bottles pop. Shawty see the team and how we drippin', made a body rock. Told the DJ play my shit cause I know that we got a bop. But I ain't finna pass it, I'ma flip it, bitch, we got it locked. Tryna gas me up but she could barely move the needle. Oppas always hating cause they tryna do what we do. I know I'ma make it cause I need to. Feeling like Sean in my dome. Hot up